Huh? We're gonna go see some waterfalls? Wanna go see some waterfalls? How about a tunnel? A tunnel? A dark tunnel? Waterfalls? The swinging bridge.
She's like, what about the squirrel? It's outside.
Squirrels. Big squirrel. What do you think? It is a rather gloomy day here in Southern Virginia. We're staying at Natural Tunnel State Park. We're gonna go do some short hikes to see some waterfalls. This is early November. It's pretty gross outside. So we're at Little Stoney Falls in a recreational area. This is a very short hike, quarter mile.
It is so cool.
So we're gonna go see a bunch of small waterfalls with short hikes here in Southern Virginia. We're not too far from Norton, Virginia. So if you walk past Little Stoney just a short distance, you get this second amazing waterfall. Wow. So we are at our next stop. We're going to the Sweetie Tunnel. And we're at the Guest River Gorge. There should be some waterfalls off this trail too. We're gonna go check out. My daughter was commenting how many sweaters I have in the car, but when it's this time of the year, having lots of sweaters is a good thing.
This moss looks like Venus flytraps. It is the coolest stuff ever. Look at the little like mouth things on it.
This is a short distance from Little Stoney Falls. This is a hike and bike trail here. It's a remnant of the railroad. This is a really pretty trail. There's some rapids along the water. I thought we might be able to see some small waterfalls along the trail. But at least we got to see the tunnel. We checked all trails, which I highly recommend using. There was a smaller waterfall about a quarter mile from where we stopped at. That railroad sign was a mile on the trail, so it's about a mile and a quarter to get to this little waterfall. It's off of the trail, so we're tramping through the woods here to see it. The review said it was a decent waterfall, so we'll find out. Really pleasant to walk down, super easy. This right here is pretty sketch now that it rained and it's leaves on the rocks. But we're gonna head back to the next waterfall. So it looks like there's an old trail over here. We'll call this the Mountain Laurel Jungle Gym. Look at that, nice style there. You check a much better line than me. I got like crap all on my back. Show what my back looks like. I got a stain, don't I?
A little bit, not bad though.
So this right here is a little better. Few little sketchy pieces. So once you get to this bridge, it's right over there. This way was a little bit easier, up that way. This one here looks like a travertine waterfall that's got moss growing over it. It adds to the spooky feeling driving down here. There's a little town, Cleveland, that we drove through to get here, but the car is right there. There's another trail that goes for 3 miles up this way.
This trail's only a mile.
This one's only a mile?
Yeah, you can get to the other trail that's 2 miles from this one.
It definitely got your heart racing, but very nice switchbacks. Nice trail up here. So here is a small little waterfall. Hard to see the trees. One giant pipe here. One little waterfall. Interesting with this area, so it's a barren. It's this biodiversity dolomite barren that has all these rare species of plants. Just came back from Tank Hollow Falls and I spotted this swinging bridge and there was this really long boardwalk, so we just couldn't pass up to come over here and check this out and see where it would lead to. This is a little park in the town of Cleveland. So you would think that this very long boardwalk would lead to something amazing. No, it just leads to a haunted little shack up here. There's like a little chair sitting here. I mean, this is really creepy. I was thinking that maybe there would be a waterfall or something, but
If you die, or if you fall and get tetanus.
come on y'all and come enjoy the boardwalk to nowhere. See my creepy shack. Yeah. So I feel like I'm just walking in somebody's yard right now. But over there, it looks like there's a park. So that's really nice. It connects to two parks, so you can get to this one here and not be cut off by the water. And it looks like there's a playground. I thought for sure there was going to be some sort of spectacular water fountain or something over there, not a hobo shack.